Hello class and welcome to Branding and Marketing Communications. This is a marketing class that it's going to be super fun and it's going to enhance your creative skills. We all are very creative and you will discover throughout this class that we are going to push your own creative style as well as we are going to look into develop a branding strategy for for a company. So I'm going to walk you very briefly through the way that you are going to manage this class. So as you know, this semester we are using Canvas now all around the university. Till last semester, some courses were still being worked in Moodle, and now we have made the transition to Canvas completely. So the first thing that you need to know is that if at any point you have a question, please send me an email and I can walk you through. I am accessible to you via Zoom or via email, but in order to have a Zoom, you first need to send me an email and then we can agree on a time which will work best for both of us. Uh, well, I haven't said it yet, but my name is Ursula Wiefers. I'm going to be the instructor for this class. It's always fun to put a face to a name, so this is me, and this is the home page for our class. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to check on the syllabus. I'm making these shortcut bottoms because I think it's easier than if you have to navigate through what we have on the left-hand side of the class. So you're going to click onto the syllabus, and in order to be able to see it completely and in a better way, you can just expand it out and you can read the entire syllabus. So the syllabus is basically our contract. It's all what I'm going to do, all what I'm going to teach you, and it's also at the same time going to let you know all what you have to do to be successful in this class. So I encourage you to read it thoroughly. I am just going to go through some of the pieces of the class, some of the required websites, the textbooks. This book is the main one for the class, is the one that it's called Designing Brand Identity. Here we are requiring the 5th edition. If you get the 4th edition, it's probably just going to be a different of pages and numbers, but you will be okay. Then the other book is this book from Jean Signorelli that if you have Kindle Unlimited, you can just download it for free. When possible, I'm going to give you the PDFs from the chapters that we're going to be reading, but if you have the book, it's going to be way easier for you. So these are the two required textbooks, and the rest of the material that you need for the class, I'm going to be providing it all through Canvas. So this is the most important part, and it's your work. So I have for you discussion forums. Every week we are going to engage in a discussion board. It's going to come to a point probably in week 3 or 4 or probably 5 where you're going to nominate a brand, and from then on the brand that you're going to be working on, it's going to be the one that it's going to go for your agency project. So you're going to stick to one single brand, and as we work on the discussion board, you're going to be practically getting together all the information that you need for your project. The beauty of this is that you're going to get feedback from your peers and from myself. So anything that you have and anything that you post, it's going to be added by the feedback that you will receive. Then, regarding the discussion board, you have deadlines. So, and it's specified in here and it's specified also in the discussion board. So every Monday we start a new topic, and that topic finishes the following Sunday. However, on Wednesday night, you should have written the first post to your discussion board. Then you have throughout the rest of the week to complete your replies. So basically you are required 1 original post and 2 replies. That does not guarantee you 100% points. What guarantees you 100% points is the quality of your work. So if with those 3 posts you have a superb work, you will get those 100 points. If your post is lacking or is missing information, or if it's not answering the entire question, then I'm going to keep asking you questions. Your peers are going to ask you questions, and you're going to have to work for more than 3 posts. So make sure that you always give quality content, and you just do the job once and well done. So read this, because I want you to be aware that if you fail to meet the requirements of the class, if you fail to submit your work on a Wednesday, then you will be provided feedback. However, you will not get any points for the discussion board. So make sure you understand this, and this is something that it's very important for your grade and for the class. You're going to have 2 exams. One is a midterm, one is a final exam. Then you're going to have 6 journal entries throughout the semester, and you're going to have a reflective essay at the end of the semester. And then you're going to have your agency project report, which it's going to be explained in a different area on the syllabus. Okay, so make sure you read all the syllabus here. It's all the information that you need to have. And once you do that, you should reply to me on the icebreaker that you have understood the syllabus. So we're going back to our home page, and then the next thing that you need to do is you're going to click on the announcements. As of right now, there's no announcements. However, on Monday morning, when you start the class, August 30, you are going to find the first announcement for the class. Go back to the home, and then right here, I'm going to be moving you through the current topic. So you go here to topic 1, and it's going to take you to the first topic that you need to complete. Check this. It says that you need to complete all items. That means that you have to click on every link and you have to read the information. So right here, I have the learning objectives and assignments, and this is a Spark page, and it's sort of like a web page. Again, you can click it out here. Let's do that. And you can see all the information that you are going to have to complete during the week. Your learning objectives for topic 1, the discussion forum instructions, and the class instructions and activities. In this case, I'm telling you what to read, participate in the discussion forum, complete your first journal, and start thinking about team members for the agency project. So the agency project, it is better if you work it in a team. However, you also have the freedom to do it individually. Working in a team, I don't want to say it's easier, but it's definitely way you get to be creative and you get to contribute with your peers, and 2 heads sometimes think better than one. So I leave that up to you, but I really appreciate and I really try to push for teams, because it makes the work better and more fun. Then you have the discussion board, where you're going to click here, and you have all the instructions. Again, it gives you links for more information. It tells you to explain your answers. It gives you an optional question. Of course, if you get the optional question, your grade is going to be better. And it gives you the rules for the discussion board, not later than the first Wednesday after the topic is launched. So in this case, you're starting the class on August 30. So that means that by September 1st, Wednesday, September 1st is the last day for you to write your first thread. We go back to the home page, or excuse me, we go back to the models, we go back to model 1, and then you will see that you have a journal entry. Also at the top, as you will see here, you have the icebreaker, and you're going to find a tab that it says things you need to do to start in this class. It's going to bring you to the icebreaker, and soon enough, after I finish with this video, you will also find this video because you should watch it in order to understand how to go about the class. Right here, you have class assignments. This is the main description of the agency project. You need to read this. And then for each phase, I'm giving you individual information. As we get closer to the phase number 1, I'm going to record another video and I'm going to go over this phase and all what you need to do. With that, you will see that if at any time you click here on the models or on the discussions, you're going to find all the information. The class is already all laid out for you. Everything is out, and all I'm looking forward to is to have a great semester, work together, and have a lot of learning and fun. So again, make sure that you contact me. A very good way of getting a hold of me is email. You could also text me, and I'm going to add my phone number there. If you ever text me, make sure that you identify yourself so I know who is the text coming from. And since I'm teaching many classes, I will appreciate that if you say, my name is Ursula Wiefers and I am from your branding class. So then I know where to look for you. So good luck. Looking forward for an excellent semester, and I will see you in the classroom.